Hey everyone, it's Brittany from Hubcaps.com. Today's video was made for all the residents of Austin, Texas, who are missing a hubcap, center cap, or wheel cover. You definitely came to the right spot. Hubcaps.com offers free shipping to Austin, Texas, and all surrounding cities. It only takes 3 to 4 business days for most hubcaps to be sent right to your door. So why waste your time and gas searching through local junkyards or tire shops, only to find out they don't have what you're looking for? Just click on the link I have provided you with right here. It will take you directly to our website where you can find the hubcap that you're missing. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call. We are always here to help you. Now, let's take a close look at one of our factory original hubcaps. As we take a close look, please keep in mind, all of our hubcaps here are fully restored. As you can see, both front and back of this hubcap are in excellent condition. You would expect nothing less. We take pride in the quality of hubcaps we have to send out to you. We have an online sales department waiting to assist you by answering your questions and helping you to securely place your order online. Our warehouse has a top-of-the-line restoration department, ensuring your hubcap comes out looking like brand new every time. Depending on where you live and what you have ordered, and whether the item is ready to be shipped or not, it will usually take 4 to 5 business days after the order is placed, possibly even sooner.